So you might be in a situation where you're wanting to go through and increase the touch sensitivity on your Samsung screen. Now there's a couple of different ways to do this. Number one, the main way to do this is by going inside of your settings application of your Samsung phone. So hop inside of your settings application right here in your Samsung phone. So hop inside of settings right here. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to go through and basically hop inside of your display options. So scroll down until you find display, which is right here. So tap on the display. And then what you're going to want to do here is if you scroll down, there's going to be a little option that says something like touch sensitivity. So right here you have this touch sensitivity option, this little button that you can go ahead and enable. So all you're going to have to do here is you can go through, tap onto that button, and you're going to see that there's this thing that says increase the touch sensitivity of your screen for use with screen protectors. This is a great feature to turn on. If you have a screen protector on your device, you can go through, enable it, turn it on. That way, when you have a screen protector on your phone, the device will go and kind of acknowledge that, it will see it, and it will help kind of alleviate that particular touch sensitivity issue that you might run into there. So that's probably what I'd recommend doing. That's how you basically do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.